These car modification videos are going extremely viral on social media right now. And this Instagram page has gained 102,000 followers purely by posting these style of videos. Their top videos are already sitting at 17.8 million, 7.4 million, and 1.8 million views. And every single one of them was made without a camera, without a garage, and without any technical skills. Now watch what I just created with AI in under 5 minutes. Without wasting any extra time, let us get straight into the process. But before we start, 83% of our viewers have not subscribed yet. If you want to keep getting tutorials like this one, hit that subscribe button right now. First, open ChatGPT and write this. Give me a list of famous car names from well-known automotive brands worldwide. Hit enter, and ChatGPT will instantly provide you an impressive list of iconic cars to choose from. Go through them and pick the one that looks the most visually dramatic and exciting to watch being modified. Got your car? Perfect. Keep it ready. Now head to the description below and open the master prompt I have written for you. Copy the full prompt from start to finish without missing a single word. Open Google Flow, select the video option, choose OmniFlash as your video model, and set the duration to 10 seconds. Paste your prompt in. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy your chosen car name, and paste it inside the designated vehicle section in the prompt. And here is one detail that makes a real difference. Before the car name, add your desired color for the vehicle right here. This one small addition makes the modification sequence look significantly more cinematic and visually polished. Hit generate, and within seconds, your complete car modification video will be completely ready to go viral on the internet. Now watch another one I created using the exact same method. Subscribe for more tutorials like this, drop a like if this helped, and I will see you in the next one.